cell, the basic unit of life. Endoplasmic reticulum. So who observed the endoplasmic reticulum first? Garnier, and he kept the name endoplasm. And who proposed endoplasmic reticulum? Porter in the year of 1967. And some of the components of endoplasmic reticulum are cisternae, vesicles, tubules. So cisternae, these are long flattened structure. Vesicles are oval membrane. Tubules are irregular in shape. So as I show you in the class, endoplasmic reticulum are full of fold or membrane or layer. So it is also known as system of membranes. And endoplasmic reticulum are divided into two types. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and another one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome is absent. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome is present. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is present near the cell membrane. Rough ER is present near the nucleus. Smooth ER is found in cell related with synthesis of fat, glycogen and steroid. And rough ER is present with synthesis of proteins. Smooth ER is formed of tubules. Rough ER is formed of cisternae and vesicles. Smooth ER is less strong or less stable. Rough ER is more strong or more stable. Example for smooth ER is adipose tissue and muscles. And example for rough ER is liver and pancreas. So this is a structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Next, Golgi complex. So Golgi complex, it is a composed of lipoprotein, which means it has a lipid and also protein. So protein is 60%, lipid is 40%. So it has four types, four components of the structure. As we discussed in the endoplasmic reticulum, here also cisternae is there. There, long flattened structure. Here, elongated flattened structure. Vesicles. There, here it is a droplet-like structure. There, oval membrane. And tubules, both also arranged associated with the cisternae. Vacuole is absent in endoplasmic reticulum. Vacuole is present in Golgi body. It is a large round structure found around the edges of cisternae. What is the function of Golgi body? The cell secretion. So the first step is it has a 60 cisternae or space, and the process of glycosidation and glycosylation takes up, and it gives us glycoprotein and also glycolipid. Okay, so lysosomes get formed from glycosidation and glycosylation. Okay, so it forms a cell plate in plant cell. In plant cell only it will form the cell plate, and it helps in synthesis of carbohydrate. Synthesis means the formation. So it helps in the formation of carbohydrate. Next, ribosome. So ribosome was discovered and termed by Palade. Ribosome was first seen by Claude under microscope in animal cell. Ribosome was discovered by Robinson and Robert Brown in plant cell of bean roots. So ribosome, it do not have any membrane. It is the largest cell organelle in a cell. So that it is also known as organelle within an organelle or protein factory of cell, because it synthesizes protein. Structure of ribosome. It is composed of RNA and protein. Actually, messenger RNA also synthesis of protein. And cytoskeleton is there to protect the cell from collapsing. Cytoskeleton. Okay. So each ribosome is composed of two subunits. One is larger subunit and smaller subunit. Larger subunit is dome shaped and smaller subunit is ovoid shaped. So smaller subunit has a platform, a cleft and a head. The larger subunit has a protuberance, ridge and a stalk. So ridge means a long narrow type. Okay. So it has a calculation. So 80S is present in eukaryote, 70S present in prokaryote. S is nothing but Svedberg. So it has combination of two subunit. One is 50 plus 30 in prokaryote, 60 plus 40 in eukaryote. The function of ribosome is protein synthesis. So it is also known as protein factory or cell engine. Here some of the questions for you. Short note on components of ER. Write a short note on ribosome and the difference between smooth ER and rough ER and function of Golgi complex and worksheet. So first ER is observed by, proposed by, and here it's like a match. And now about Golgi body complex, about Golgi complex, Golgi complex, Golgi body, Golgi apparatus. So everything are same only. So it's composed of dash protein is that percentage, no, lipid, and the function of Golgi complex, you have to write it. And here I given identify the cell organelle, identify the cell organelle. So these are the pictures of cell organelle. You got to find out which is the cell, what is the cell organelle of this picture. And with the help of given word bank, identify the term or phrase being described. So flatten, read the question well, and I have given you option also. So you have to find out the answer, apt answer. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope you will complete your homework properly. Thank you so much. Be safe at your home.